Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am in the garage. It is bright and early, 7 a.m., getting ready to start my very first thing that I am checking off my list today. Today we are going to be doing a Get It Done with me. I have a lot to get done, and I want to thank Seed for sponsoring this video. You guys, the holidays are in full swing, and not only that, but we are actually going out of town for a little getaway. We do it every year, and so I have things on my list to prepare my home for going out of town. I know all the moms can relate. You want to come home to a clean house. Not only that, but I do have a dog sitter, and so I like to do things to get my house set up for her. So we are going to be going through a cleaning list. We are going to be going through a getting ready to travel list, and we are on our first day of a very well-deserved break in homeschooling. And I'm going to stretch my ankles while I talk to you guys. And we've been working really hard all year long. And actually yesterday I did plan on doing schoolwork, but my internet had other plans for me. So we could only do a few things that don't require an internet connection. Our modem broke, I guess. And it was a very, like, you know, the kind of calls where you have to chat with a robot before it will transfer you, and then it transfers you to the wrong person 3 times. Those kind of calls that take like 3 hours. That's what I was dealing with yesterday. So we didn't have any internet. So we actually ended up taking most of yesterday off as well, but it was different because I didn't plan on taking the day off. So I didn't have like my life ready to go, but today I do. However, even though we are on break, I still got up at the same time that I do when I have been homeschooling, because training my body to wake up at 6 a.m. and work out at 7 a.m. was really hard for me. And I'm just not interested in letting that go, even though we're going to be on break. So I got up 6 a.m. I worked for an hour. It's been really busy, tons of work to do. So grateful for that. So I did that, and then now I'm out here in the garage getting my workout in, because I know that if I just jump into my list, I will keep finding things to do and not get my exercise in. So we're gonna work out for an hour together. That's gonna be the first thing I check off my list, and then the rest of the video I'm gonna take you guys through my to-do list. I hope it motivates you and encourages you to get some things checked off your list, big or small. We carry all of that up here, and so it feels so nice to be able to kind of clear your headspace a little bit. And that is my goal, so that I can just like fully enjoy our trip and feel good about hosting Thanksgiving in my house tomorrow, and then have the house all set for my dog sitter and all of that. So I'll show you guys my to-do list once I'm done exercising, and then we're gonna get going with it.
Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up.
All right, so here's what we are working with today, along with just all of the other normal mom stuff. Getting the sheets changed, doing my floors, finishing packing for our trip. I need to do our family budget. I need to meal plan and make my list for when we come back. I always like to take care of that before we leave. I need to set up the table for Thanksgiving. I need to prepare my house for the upcoming trip. And then my daughter's birthday is just a few days after mine. And so I need to wrap her birthday presents today. So let's tackle this together. So a huge thank you to Seed for sponsoring today's Get It Done with me. I've been taking Seed for about 2 years now, and it has made such a difference in my overall health, specifically my gut health. I used to experience a lot of uncomfortable bloating and a lot of uncomfortable digestive problems that taking Seed has completely taken away. I credit it 100% to being dedicated to taking my Seed pre and probiotic every single day. I do not miss, and the benefits of that has been incredible. I do not have the bloating anymore. I don't have the digestive issues and discomforts I was dealing with, as long as I stay away from certain kinds of food, but also with taking Seed. And overall, I just feel so much better. So I take Seed's DS-01 Daily Symbiotic every single day, 2 capsules on an empty stomach. And Seed's really incredible over any other pre or probiotic because of its double encapsulation technology. So you guys can see on here that it's basically capsule in capsule, and what that does is it delivers the pre and probiotics directly to the part of your digestive system that you want it to get to. A lot of times with other brands that don't have Seed's technology, the minute you swallow it and it makes it to your stomach, the stomach acid is going to break down what is in there before it even gets to the portion of the digestive system that you want it to get to, so you can experience all of the benefits. Seed is not just for digestive health, obviously, but also plays a huge role in just your overall health, your skin, all of that kind of stuff. So I absolutely love Seed. I will never go without it. I get asked a lot in the comments of my videos, you know, if you were to only be able to take like 1 or 2 supplements, if you couldn't afford to take, you know, a whole lineup of different products, what would those be? Seed would absolutely be on that list, because the difference of being consistent and taking Seed for 2 years has made in my overall health. I really cannot describe it to you guys. So if you want to check out any of the sciencey information on Seed, there's a ton on their website. You can read all about it, way more in depth than what I've described to you here. I obviously can't cover everything, but I do have a 20% off discount code to share with you guys. So if you use my code GraceandGrit20, that's going to get you 20% off of your order of Seed. And when you order Seed for the first time, you're going to get this glass jar, you're going to get your pre and probiotic capsules, and then you're also going to get a travel size vial. And then every single month after that, you just keep the same jar and you refill it. So I love that about Seed. Makes it super easy and doable to stay consistent. So if you guys want to check them out, I will have them linked down below. Don't forget, 20% off with code GraceandGrit20. If you are wanting to feel healthier in the new year, if you're wanting to feel like you're prioritizing yourself, if you are tired of always having bloating and irregularity and just a lot of digestive discomforts, you need to give Seed a try. I guarantee you after 60 days, you will feel so much better. Maybe sooner, but definitely after 60 days. I love it so, so much. So all the information to Seed will be down below for you guys.
singing. On this Christmas night, they are singing for you and me. This Christmas night, they are singing 'cause love endures. This Christmas is mine and yours. You nod your head and say yes, relieving me of all my stress. Tonight our new life begins. On this Christmas night, I hear an angel choir singing. On this Christmas night, they are singing for you and me. This Christmas night, they are singing 'cause love endures. This Christmas is mine and yours. They are singing 'cause love endures. This Christmas is mine.
So that's going to be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed checking things off of your to-do list alongside of me. I hope it was motivational and you guys got some inspiration, and if anything, just the feeling of like, okay, I'm gonna tackle my to-do list. My list is all checked off, so that is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget you can save 20% off of your order of seed with my code GraceandGrit20, and that will be down in the description box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you were happy to see a Get It Done with me video on my channel, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye, friends.